guys, today on YMB Productions we are doing a Nerf gun fight. The teams are Declan and me. The teams are just going to be called D for Declan and E for Eli, who's our filmer. He's actually filming right now. So let's get this game on. No, one-shot kill and as many bullets as you would like.
And you can go all the way around the house, and yeah. So
let's do this thing.
Okay, so this is where Team D is gonna be.
It's actually Halloween day right now. It's pretty chilly.
So basically, we chose this base because we should probably keep our voice down, but we can climb up on the wood thing to get a good view up there.
I'll take guard. I got new bullets. They sting pretty much. And I'm not just saying that they sting a whole lot.
Yeah, it's like a bee sting.
Okay, this is Team E. Yeah, we're Team E, and I've got a whole backpack full of Nerf bullets. I've got one of these bad boys in my pocket filled up to the max, and I've got a mini handgun. I don't know why, it's just really strong. Like, I mean, it's one of the strongest I could find, so, I mean, stronger the better. Yeah. So, let's get a move on. I see him. Yep, there they are. All right, we're gonna move on.
Alright, so I think they went around the house to that way.
Get down. Alright guys, here we go. We're going elegant mode.
We hear them, so
I know, I actually saw them. They're coming.
It feels like one of those video games.
Alright guys, they're behind the shed.
wait, is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Okay, I saw them. I hear them behind me. I'm gonna go this way.
Okay, hey, Jonas is behind the tree by the shed, Declan. Alright, we're just going in for a big lead shot. We're just gonna charge them. Let's go. They're running towards us. Alright, stay quiet. Alright guys.
So
Okay.
step back.
Oh, dog.
When I say step back, I mean step back.
I'm gonna take a shot at them. Darn it, I was really close. Okay, I'm gonna retreat. Alright, no.
Alright, they're retreating. Declan, just stay back. Stay back. We can't die this time. Here. Alright, just in a barrage of them. None of them hit though. Let's get these bullets. We'll see you guys when we're there.
Okay, so I almost shot him, but I guess I didn't hit him. But we're gonna not try and stay back here. We're definitely gonna try and charge him. So yeah, come on.
This is gonna be kind of scary, guys.
I'm really scared. We're just gonna hide in here. Caesar. Hold on. Over here. Alright, this is really scary. I'll check back in with you guys in a minute.
Interesting, we hear him.
Yeah, we can totally hear him. It's kind of scary. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can see.
You want to stay here?
It's gonna be a lookout. We'll come back if a battle starts.
Yeah, we're just gonna kind of put go around things, see if we can
put the camera on me or keep it with you.
Kind of cut around and.
All right.
Because we can always cut things out. Is it solid?
Yeah. Do you want to stay here?
No.
Because we can't risk both of us getting shot. Where do you think they went? My guess is they're probably in the flowers. So let's go around this way, okay? Declan, are you crazy? Are you crazy?
I hit Eli.
I'll get him. All right, Jonas is dead. I shot him.
Okay. Jonas said we didn't get we got that on the other side. So it's just one man's game. And Jonas is out. I don't know where they went, but I don't know how to hide without Jonas.
Okay, it's only Eli now, guys. Alright, let's lay low, let's lay low. Eli will get scared. He'll eventually come. He knows. Jonas is out. Okay. Alright, let's just go to the shed. Best place.
No, they're not. Magazine.
Eli's coming. Get back. Get back. They're coming. They're coming. Okay.
I can't get. I'm not gonna get up there.
All right, you stay down. All right. Let's see, guys, if they see.
Do you can see. They're running across the street. It's kind of weird.
Stay here.
Okay.
You should stay here, guys.
Okay, we'll get to you when something happens.
Okay. Let's stay up here for a while. Declan, you get behind and then just ambush them if I get shot. For all the. He's coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming from the wall.
Here, you jump down. Throw him in the camera.
Here they come.
Put the camera in your thing. Put the camera in your thing.
We need to get back. Alright, guys, there they are.
Right in front of us. They're really dumb. It's one.
It's 2 versus 1, Eli.
You have to reload your gun. You got the 1-2.
Yeah! Bomb him! He has a one-shot gun. He also has a hand pistol, though. This is a bit harder than I thought it was going to be, guys. There he is. He's ours. Ours for the plucking. Alright, I'm just gonna snipe him dead. Declan, go. Declan, just run out there and shoot him. If you die, I'll go out there with full blast. You dummy! Whoa, he needs to reload! Get him! Just keep chasing him! He's getting away. Yeah! The champions! We won the whole game! Yes! Oh man, I'm so tired. You do not know how tired I am.